Our next topic is reproduction from different parts of plants. Now we have seen plants reproduce by seeds. Here we will see how plants reproduce by stem, roots, buds and other parts of the plant. In most plants, new plants grow from seeds. In some cases, however, new plants can also grow from different parts of the parent plant, such as roots, leaves or stems. So first we will study how roots. In plants such as sweet potato, new plants grow from the roots of the parent plant. Here you can see the diagram of sweet potato. Here new plants grow from the roots. Here roots are there and new plants are growing from the roots of the sweet potato only. So this is how plants grow from roots. Now from leaves. In some parts of plants such as bryophyllum, new plants grow from the leaves of the parent plant. Bryophyllum leaves contain buds on their margins. When these buds fall to the ground, they develop roots and grow into new plants. Now see here bryophyllum. This is a bryophyllum plant. Here on the margin of the leaves they have small buds which further grows into a new plant, and when they start forming a new plant they fall on the ground and the roots start develop and the new bryophyllum plant grows. This is how new plants grows from leaves. Now, from stems. In plants such as rose and hibiscus, a stem cutting can be used to grow a new plant. You might have seen how rose is reproduced. It is reproduced by stem cutting. Okay. When the stem cutting is planted in the soil, new shoots grow from the buds on the cutting. Money plant and strawberry too grow from stem cuttings. So, rose, hibiscus, money plant and strawberry, they all grow from stem cuttings. Their stems are cut and put in the soil, and the roots and the shoots start coming out of the buds and the roots start growing downwards. Now potato and ginger plants have underground stem. Okay, you might have seen potato. It's a very general thing to see the potato buds at home. Okay, it grows when potatoes are kept for few days. This bud starts growing on potatoes. They have underground stems. They have small buds on them. When a portion of stem is planted in the soil, new plants grow from these buds. Onion and garlic plants. Now let us see, onion and garlic plants have underground stems called bulbs. New plants grow from these bulbs. So potato and ginger, they grow from underground stems which have small buds, and onion and garlic plants, they also grow from underground stems. They are called bulbs. Okay. Now there is a small activity of potato is given. Take a potato. Do you see buds? Take a potato having on it. Cut a few pieces of potato so that each piece has a bud. Now bury these in the soil. Now bury the cut part of the potato inside the soil. Water it regularly and observe that plant is growing or not. Now this activity you can do at home. It is a very easy activity. Name of the following. See children, I would like you to do this activity and send me the image if the plant grows. Okay. Now checkpoint. The baby plant inside the seed, it is called embryo. The growth of seed into seedling is called germination. The process of scattering of seeds or fruits away from the parent plant is called dispersal. Underground stem of onion plant is called bulb. You have to fill this checkpoint in your book. Now this topic crops and agriculture has been reduced. Okay, means you will not get any questions from this topic in your exams. But let us discuss few things for your knowledge. The science or practice of growing crops or farming is called agriculture. What is agriculture? The science or practice of growing crops. There are two different types of crops. There are kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown from May to October. They are called monsoon crops. Means nowadays we are working on kharif crops. Our farmers are working on kharif crops. They are rice, paddy, maize, sorghum, millet, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. Now crops that are grown from November to April, they are called rabi crops or winter crops. They are wheat, gram, mustard, peas, barley and lentils. Okay, you can see the pictures of kharif crops and rabi crops. Now growing healthy crops. What are the things farmers should take care for having a healthy crop? They should have a proper knowledge of the season and the climate, which season is good for which type of crop, the soil is good or not, prepare the soil well, how to prepare the soil, how to check the healthy seeds, how to add manures and fertilizers. Irrigation means supply water to the crops, and harvest means cutting the crops at the correct time and storing. Now, how to protect the storage of stored crops. Some animals, some small living things like caterpillars, locust, rats, and all, they harm crops. They are called pests. So farmer use pesticides to control them. And farmers also have to protect the harvested crop from frost, rain, and animals such as rats, moles, squirrels. Means they have to protect. They have to keep it properly so that it is not attacked by all these animals.